Hello everyone and welcome to the last short episode of Binance for Beginners. After this episode, I will be posting more regular 3 to 5 minute content as I have done before. In this video, however, I will be showing you the Binance Visa Card. So, to get to the Binance Visa Card, you'll have to go to the Binance website, which will be in the description below. Then you have to go up here into this tab, Finance, and then click on Binance Visa Card. So when you click that, you will be sent to the Welcome to the Binance Visa Card webpage, where you can click Get Started to order your own Binance Visa Card. And essentially the Binance Visa Card is just a regular debit card, but instead of paying with fiat currencies such as the dollar or euro, you're actually paying with cryptocurrencies. So after you've clicked Get Started right here, you'll have to make a PIN for a Binance card, and then you'll need to confirm your shipping information. After that, your card should arrive in around a week. And now I will show you the screen you get once you finally have received your Binance Visa Card. So this right here is the page you will see once you finally have gotten your Binance Visa Card. And to enter this page, you just click the same link, the Binance Visa Card, under Finance here. Here, you can see the total balance of your Visa Card, as well as today's spendings, daily spending limit, today's withdrawals, and the daily withdrawal limit. Right up here, you can also see the level of your card. Mine is, for example, level 1, and then the rewards you get for that specific level. So if you, for example, have a monthly average balance of 600 BNB, you'll be eligible to get a monthly cashback of 500 euro at a rate of about 8% with every payment you make. Right here, Binance makes it very easy to transfer funds into your funding wallet, so then you can use it with your Visa Card. Here, you can see how that Visa Card will look like. Right here in Manage, you can view your PIN, freeze your card, as well as view all of your cards. Here under Profile, you can check out some of your personal information. And then below that, you will see the payment priority, which basically you can select which cryptocurrency you want to prioritize to spend first with your card. Last but not least, right here you have your cashback, so the amount of money you have granted back for spending money with a Visa Card, and then your recent transactions, which I have not had any in the past month. And that pretty much does it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Like, share, and subscribe to become a part of the revolution today, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.